at K2. It's Mrs. Cook and
Ryan.
And Ryan is here with me because we got some books today from one of Ryan's good friends,
Robert.
You can call him Robert, you can call him RJ. I just like to call him a really swell guy. He gave us some really great books to read on these videos, and we're so grateful to him. So we're going to start with one tonight, and I'm going to really jump around on this book. I'm going to start at the very back because there's a clue on the back, and I don't want you to miss it, okay? So first I'll tell you the name of the book, then we're going to go to the back to find the clue. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this thing. Okay. This book is called Beep Beep Go to Sleep. But now instead of starting the story, we're going to go to the back to the clue. This is a note from the author. It says, the art for this book was created with pencil, watercolor, like the paints we have in our class, and digital paint. I do not know what that is, but I can't wait to find out. The mouse was my daughter's idea, from John Rocco. Now, when he's talking about the mouse, let me tell you, friends, look at this cover. I love it. It's like a mystery. There is a mouse in this book, and I'll show you on the first page what he looks like. On every page, that mouse is somewhere. So I'm going to try to make sure I get a nice good shot of every page so you guys can find the mouse, okay? So this book was written by Todd Tarpley and illustrated by John Rocco. He's the one who came up, well, his daughter came up with the mouse idea. Are you ready? Here we go. 3 little robots. Time for bed.
I see it.
Ryan already found it. Time to dim your infrared. That's like the red light on a robot. Brush your rotors round and round. All right, shh, when you find it. Clean your shields. And power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep, beep.
I thought it would say asleep.
I thought it would say asleep too. That's what the rhyme was leading me to believe. Is something wrong?
I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil.
Oh my goodness. Better now? Then rest your head. Oh, what a nice boy taking care of his robots. 3 little robots back to bed. Oh, I like they kind of have bunk beds made of like rivets and metal. That's pretty cute.
And it's a 3 bunk bed.
Yeah, it's a triple bunk because it's 3 robots. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are...
Beep, beep.
Oh gosh, this poor boy looks so tired. What is it now?
I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight.
Oh my gosh. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are...
Beep, beep.
Robots! Are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake! No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking, no more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking.
Oinking.
Go to sleep! He's thinking, we make all those other noises, but we don't oink. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are...
Beep, beep.
What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Oh. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggled deep finally put their boy to sleep.
Now they're partying at night.
Now they're partying at night. I guess that's how robots do it. I loved that book. Robert, thank you so much. I loved the robots. I loved trying to find the mouse. Although I might have been wrong. I didn't see him on every page. Was he on every page?
I didn't look. Let me check.
Okay. We'll have to double check. If you want to go back and watch this video again and really look for that mouse, I think he was on a lot of pages, but there were some pages I didn't see him, but maybe I missed
No
him.
mouse.
Oh, no mouse?
Mouse.
We're going to count how many times the mouse is in this book. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Come on.
Oh, there he is with the sleeping mask on. All right. So all of you little robots,
There.
get ready to go to sleep. And Robert, thank you again so much for sharing your book with us. This was really, really a good one. I'm going to read this again probably tonight and try to find the mouse.
Come
And I
on.
loved doing the
Mouse.
voices for those robots too. Oh, another mouse. Great. Okay. So everybody get ready for bed. Everybody go to sleep like the boy was doing, not like the robots. Do it like the boy. And I'll be back soon with another story. And in the meantime, I hope you are feeling good. And I hope you are being good. And I hope you're doing good things. And I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Good night. I love you.